How to get Instagram back to normal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Instagram back to normal. So in any case, is your Instagram not working correctly like it used to? If that's the case, this video is for you. So what you do in that case is first, you head over to your settings. Tap on your settings, then head over to general. There we go, there is general, tap on it. And there you'll see iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage. Then head over to your Instagram, search for Insta. So let's search for Instagram. There we go. Tap on it and then offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app entirely. After that, reinstall the app and then check if their problem is fixed, if your Instagram is working correctly now. If that also does not fix your issue, you will need to head over to your App Store. So tap on App Store, head over to the search bar, then search for Insta. After you search for Instagram, you will see Instagram right here, and if you find an update option right available, tap on update and update the app entirely. After you update the app entirely, your problem will get fixed. And yeah, that's how you do it. It's a really simple tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.